Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving over Jacks Hill, and we are on Jacks Hill Road now, going up the hill from the Barbican end. Jacks Hill takes you, when you drive over the hill, you go from Barbican to Cherry Gardens. More specifically, you go from Barbican Road all the way to Sunset Avenue. So we are on Jacks Hill Road now, going up the hill. And Jacks Hill is in St. Andrew, and it's one of the Jacks Hill area or community. It's one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. As you can see, there's some very nice homes up here. The road is not very good, but it's not that bad either. I mean, in terms of residential roads, it's okay. Could do with some fixing. And every year they put out a list of the top neighborhoods in the country. And for Kingston and St. Andrew, Jacks Hill is currently number 2. Cherry Gardens, which is right beside Jacks Hill, is number 1. And Millsboro, which is also beside Jacks Hill, is number 3. So you have basically the top neighborhoods in Jamaica right beside each other. Where we just passed that road where the blue car was coming out, if we turn there, we would go into Millsboro. And if you notice, this road has no white lines. You just have to, I guess, use your judgment. Okay, we're now coming up to a fork in the road, and that is where Jacks Hill Road intersects Sunset Avenue. Okay, so if we turn right here, we will continue on Jacks Hill Road and go up to Jacks Hill. They have like a square, a small little town, but we're turning here and going down the hill now, and we just entered Cherry Gardens, and we are on Sunset Avenue. this is still considered Jack's Hill because we're still on the hill, but the area is Cherry Gardens. And this is Sunset Avenue, not Jack's Hill Road. Jack's Hill Road continues up the hill at the fork we just passed. As you can see, you have a very nice view of the city and the harbor from up here. In Jamaica they have something called bushing. So you see where to the left and to the right where the trees or the grass grows into the road. Every now and then the government spends billions of dollars to pay people to cut back the bush, and that's what they call bushing in Jamaica. Okay, on the right now you can see where the grass has grown out into the road, and the road is so narrow to begin with. So, okay, on the left you can see too the grass has grown out into the road. So when they start to do the project again, they'll cut it back. Alright, so we're now coming off Jack's Hill. And a lot of persons use this route because it cuts out the traffic from the main road. So you can get from Barbican to Manor Park by going over this hill. Alright, so we're now off the hill, and we're still on Sunset Avenue, and we're still in Cherry Gardens, but we've just come off Jack's Hill. And to the left is the hill. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.